Hello everyone and welcome to Footprint Analytics YouTube channel. My name is Alex and in this video I will show you how to make a dashboard with Footprint Analytics using Starshark as an example. A dashboard is where you can freely add charts and other insertable content to visualize the most important information needed to achieve one's goals, and the dashboard consolidates and arranges information at a glance. So let's get started. So to start, we'll go over some of our dashboard features. With Footprint, it is easy to create and manage your personalized dashboard in just a few quick and easy steps. You can share your analytic dashboard with your partners or other social media channels with just one click. The Footprint community has a large number of community-made dashboards which are free and open to all users to look at and give feedback on. Next, let's show you guys a demo on how to create a chart using Starsharks as an example. So our first step is we got to go to our website. So now that we're on our website, our first step is we go to Create, and then we click on New Dashboard. From here, we click Add a Chart, and then you can see the charts that I've created, as well as our community chart section. So let's search Starsharks. Right, so now we have all of our Starshark community-made charts. So let's do volume and user. Let's add that. And then we can drag and drop it. And then let's do transaction trend. Again, drag and drop it. And let's say we wanted to change the metrics up. Our next step is we can go to add a filter. And then we can add time, location, ID, series text, or other categories. As well as you can also add text, images, or videos to accentuate and make your dashboard more pretty or just set it up exactly how you like it. So let's go a little bit of a deep dive into our text. So with the text box, you can introduce the description of a project, the definition indicators, and the logic of the calculation of the charts. Or you can paste here the links to relevant websites or social medias. Images can also be added to show the brand image, especially when doing an NFT related dashboard. Images can also make the dashboard more vivid and interesting. Footprint also supports the addition of videos to dashboard, which can be used by the project owner to showcase more of the project. And this personalized content can make your dashboard richer and more intuitive. This way, we have a completed dashboard, and now you can share your dashboards and charts with the community. So before we do that, let's add a couple more daily gamers trend. Great. And remember, guys, with our charts, we can also edit them as well. We can change the numbers, we can add trend lines, and we can show the values on the data points as well. Okay, so you can really create or make this dashboard your own. So now that it's all done, we have our dashboard saved. I'll drag this to make it a little bit more pretty. We go save, and we'll call this Star Sharks Dashboard. We click save or create. And now we can share our dashboard with just one click. We can send it with a public link, or we can embed it with our iframes to bring it into another website to share and embed your dashboard there. As well as we have a Facebook option, Twitter, Telegram, and LinkedIn. So that's all for our video today, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, then follow our YouTube channel and our Twitter at footprint_DeFi for updates and more ways to explore the possibilities of blockchain data with Footprint. Again, you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye now.